Guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Robotwallet. If you have been following me on my video, you will know that I've made some videos concerning this Robotwallet. Now Robotwallet is about 3 months now. 3 months, yes, 3 months old. And this is how Kala started. Kala spent almost 10 months. Why some people think it's a scam, it will soon crash, it will soon crash. That is what I told people when I first shared about Robotwallet when they first launched this platform. I told them register and make sure you deposit, you buy their robot and invest and start making money on it. But some people think the platform will crash very soon because Kala crashed that time, because many people put their trust on Kala. But for those people that join early on Kala, even for those people that joined 2 months before it crashed, they still earn money on Kala. So also right now on Robotwallet, this Robotwallet right now, I have withdrawn about 6 to 7 times on Robotwallet. So let me show it to you. So these are my withdrawal. One, two, you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have withdrawn 8 times on Robotwallet. The last time I withdraw on this Robotwallet is, what is today's days? Today's days is 15. I withdraw on 3 days ago on Robotwallet. As you can see here right now, my balance is now $13, and the minimum you can withdraw on this platform is $10. You can see my pledge. I pledge $100 here, $100 here. So right now, guys, I want to withdraw again, and I want to see maybe this platform is still paying or not. So right now, let's see if they are still paying. So before we do that, before I do that, let me first show you how to go about this platform. If you want to, okay, let me start the withdrawal. After I make the withdrawal, then I'm going to teach you how to buy their robots and how to invest on this platform. So let's go here. So let's come here, down here. Now click on withdraw. I have already bind my wallet address to this platform, so TDK. So let me show you my balance on this wallet address. So this is my balance on my wallet, this wallet, because I'm withdrawing to this wallet. So this is my balance. I have 295 here, only 295. So let me make this withdrawal of 13. Then after I make this, so after I make this withdrawal of this 13, I'm going to receive 12 because one is going for the transaction fee. So right now, let me do that right now and withdraw to my Trust wallets. So input my withdrawal password here. So I have input my withdrawal password here. Now click on confirm. Submitted successfully. So right now I am going to wait until I receive the payment, then I'm going to show it to you. If I go here, you will see that it will be on withdrawal on confirm. So right now, okay, I'm even going to receive 12.45. As you can see, they are only deducting. I thought it's $1 they will deduct, but it's 0.65 now. So I'm going to receive 12.45. So let's see. So before we wait for that, okay, the money has arrived. Trust Wallet has given me the sign. Before I go there, let me show you. Maybe it's from this one. So as you can see, success. So let me go to the Trust Wallet again, and let's see. As you can see, this is 295 here. So let's see. So as you can see, I now have 307 here. 307. I even receive extra income again. Another extra from the blockchain, as you can see. Okay, yes, this is it. 12.35. That's what I received. 12.35. So guys, you can even see it. I even receive extra income from the blockchain, from the blockchain. So guys, Robot Wallet is paying. As you can see, their withdrawal is even fast, very fast, very fast. So guys, if you want to register on trust Robot Wallet, check the description of this video. You will see the registration link there. And if you want to go for, I think they are even giving out roulette bonus here right now. But we will check this one later. We will check it later. We will check this later. So right now, let's look their robots. So for example, 2023 robots here. This robot price is $1. These are the robot price. Their price is always here. So, and this is their investment capital for this robot. This one, they are even using this one to give people I think maybe bonus. It's just like bonus in my eye. So after you buy the robot with $1 for this particular robot, but you can go for higher one if you like, if you want to make good money, because this one will not allow you to withdraw because it's very small. The amount it will be giving you daily is very small, and it's for 7 days. This one is for 7 days. So after you buy it with $1, you need $9 as your capital for that robot to work for you, and the robot will be giving you $0.70 daily for 7 days. You can do your calculation and see maybe it will be up to 10, but no, I know it will not be up to $10. $10 is the minimum withdrawal. So for robot 1 here, you can also check. This robot price is $2. The startup capital for this robot is $30. So that means if you are depositing, just deposit $32 on your account there, and this robot will work for you for 30 days. It will be giving you $0.45 every single day. Every single day it will be giving it to you. So you can withdraw anytime. You have up to $10. Don't worry, you can withdraw. You can withdraw anytime. You have up to $10. So even when your robot expired, at the end of that 30 days, they will return back your $30. They will return it back to you. It's your money. They will return it back to you. You can withdraw at any time. You can withdraw your money, and you can decide to reinvest again. And one thing about this platform is that you can decide to suspend your robot from working for you. You can just suspend it, and you can withdraw back your capital if you don't want to go on again. If you don't want to go on again, but if you enjoy them, you can just take the risk and continue making money on this platform. This is the robot 3 here. The price is $5. So if you are depositing if you want to go for this robot 3 here, you just have to deposit 105 USDT. And this robot will be giving you $1.5 every day. So this is the one I'm doing right now. And after 30 days, they will return your $100 back to you. But by that time, you will already make a profit of about 40 or 50 something dollars. So you can decide to suspend the robot if you don't want to do again. This is robot 4. The robot 4 price is $100. The startup capital is $2,000, and this one will be giving you $33 every day. Let me check this robot 2 again. Okay, this is robot 3. I jumped this one before. So this robot price is $25, and the startup capital is $500. So if you are depositing, you deposit $525, and this robot will be giving you $8 daily for 30 days. Don't worry, you can withdraw at any time. Even if it is today, you get your $10, you can withdraw, and you can withdraw as many times as you want daily. So that is how the robots work. So let's see about the new service they put here, this roulette bonus. Let's click on it. Unlock next level, new online game, spin to win. Invite friends to activate any spinning from number 1 to number 5, and you will get a chance to draw a lottery. So from here, you just need to. Now I think this platform will last longer, because what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing something here. So guys, if you want to go with them, you can go with them. I think this platform will
go more further. Guys, don't miss this opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity to make money. At least this 3 months now. This platform has been promoting it for 3 months for you guys to enjoy on it, but you don't want to do it. I don't know why. So for this turning this thing here, only few people are doing it on my this thing here. Maybe they are scared, maybe because of Kala go. But remember, Kala spent 10 months, almost 10 months. If you can find a platform that can last that long, then believe it, that platform, even though it crashed, that platform is legit. I call it legit platform, because it's very hard to find a platform that lasts long like that. So concerning this one, when you click on start here, let's say you invite people in, so they will give you turntable this thing here, so you can use it. You can turn when they give you one there too, you can just use it and start your turning. So no matter you will win here. So when your turn start, it's either you go to 2 5 18 16 USDT, 260 USDT, 1000 USDT, 5000 USDT, 0.5 USDT on this platform. This is just a new way to make free money again on this platform. So right now I don't even have anything here. I don't have any invitation. As I have a invitation there, then I will be able to turn and try it out. So let me show you how to suspend a robot. As you can see here, my robot here is activate. Let me show it to you. So as you can see, this is the robot I'm doing right now. As you can see, suspend. Before I suspend it, I've purchased this robot since 2022, November 2022. I just suspend it. I did not use it. So right now I'm using the robot. I suspend the robot because I want to use the money that time. So right now I'm using the robot. If I want to suspend it again, I can just click on suspend. Then immediately I click on suspend. My $100 here, the one I put on the platform, will go back to my wallet right here. Then I can withdraw my money back if I don't want to go again, if I don't want to do again. So that is how everything you need to know about this platform. Don't miss this opportunity again. You can see it by yourself. You can see it. This platform will last. They will last. So guys, thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button. Always hit that like button, and at the same time don't miss my video. And again, if you have not joined my WhatsApp group, check the description of this video. You will see the link to this platform if you want to register, and also the link to my WhatsApp group and my Telegram group there. You can join it, and I share updates there always. Even some updates that have not come to that I have not made a video about, I shared it there also. So you can quickly join and let's make money together. So guys, thank you for watching. You can see my subordinates are making cool money on this platform. You can see they have made about 2,206 something on this platform. That is about 1 point something million. So you can see it. They are making cool money on this platform. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you soon in my next video. Goodbye for now.